Hi my friends, and welcome back to our Schematic Manager tutorial. In this lesson we will talk about the timers, and also we will simulate our programs in our CMOD simulator. So let's start and open our OB1 blocks. And now let's delete the network 2 and also all these networks and also this one, and check that we in the ladder mode. So my friends, firstly let's add a timer, and let's use the pulse timer here. And firstly we must add the timer cell. And if you remember from our previous lesson, the timer cells has the number for example for the S7 300 controllers is from 0 to 256. And let's write here the T0 and press enter. And my friends, let's firstly add a time, and let's set it for 5 seconds. So we write S5T and S3T and 5 seconds, and press enter. Okay, I have a problem here. Sorry, I write again S5T and 3 seconds. And I think you know that the S is the start operation, and here we must add the input for the S contact. Let's use the F7. F1 is input 0.7. We can use it directly, or also we can create the symbol addressing for this input. To do that, I think you know that we go to the programs and symbols. Here we can add the start button, but1. Why we need but1? Let me check it. Okay, let's add here the symbols again, and add here the F1 button and E0.7, and press enter. Save the table, and here you can see that we change the input name of our input 7 is changed, and you can also make it only the F1 name of your contact, or if you want to see the physical contact, also you can add this symbol information. And here my friends, let's also connect the output of our timer to Q4.6. For do that, also let's write here the lamp and Q4.6. Save it again and close this, and here we add the output. Right here the lamp, press enter, and the lamp is added here. So now let's save our project and open our PLC. And let me check it. We have only MPI. Run it and download the program. Yes, 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 yes. And let's check our program now. So let's open, and we need the input ID. We need the byte number 0 and bit number 7. So to do that, let's say let's check here the 0 and switch it to monitoring mode. Okay, now let's open this one and this one, so we can do it from here. Let's do it. Let's press this button. Sorry, we are not connected. Let's connect. Now we connected to our simulator and press this button, and nothing happened because let's do it from here now. 7. Now the output is up, but we are not connected. So let's do it in another way. First, let's disconnect this one, stop our PLC, and let's change it to TCP/IP. And I also need to open our interface. Disabled, and this also disabled, and this enabled. Let's start again, so we can start, and let's check it again. Connect, press this, sorry, let's switch to enable to model the online interface. Okay, I think we add incorrect controller, so to do that we must add the controller with the Ethernet interface. So let's close this one and also this one, and try to download the program again. Okay, I have a problem. Okay, let's do it. I need some change. Let me return the change. So my friends, I'm able to connection the simulator with the CMOD programs. Now let's try again, and you see that the input bit of our simulator is start working now. And let's now download the program again and test it again with you. But firstly you must change the CPU, and please use this one for correctly connection. It's take about 40 minutes to find the problems. Now let's download it together and check our programs. Yes, yes. So let's open the OB one now and switch it to simulation. Now let's do it together. Now it's not working again, but let me check from here. I think it has some problem in the so let's close it now and Now my friends, I'm download the program and now I think it must working. So let's add our timer again. First let's add the input and output without timers. E0.7 and the output Q4.6. Press enter, and now let's save this one and download to our PLC. Now the module is started. Let's check it. Now it's working, my friends. You see, I'm able to troubleshoot it, but you must change the controller. Maybe in your system it's worked correctly, but I have some problem because about 5 hours ago I worked in another project and I used another interface. I used the MPI, and so I changed the interface from the set PG and PC communication. So now let's add here the timers and check again T0, and here let's add the time as 5T/3S. Press enter, and let's save it and download again. Yes. And let's simulate it together. Now let's press. Now it's working, my friends, and our timer is also working. So let's restart and start it again. Stop and run again. So if you press it one time, the timer is stopped. You see, you must set your input to your timer is working. So my friends, I think you will not faced with this problem because I'm also working another project, and you can request the CMOD program from our taskcode.az web page, and you can simulate and do your project by your own. And that's all for today, my friends. It's take a lot of time to troubleshoot the problems, but in the next lesson I will do another project with the timers, and you will understand how it's worked deeply. Also, you can check our another courses in TIA portal where we also talked about the timer. So I wish you good health and good life, my friends. Subscribe to our channel and give the like button if you enjoyed the video. See you in the next lesson.